Good morning from Ironside. I'm just about to catch the train to Barrow-in-Furness on a beautiful Saturday morning. Hope you'll come and join me. Beautiful morning. Really quaint station, Ironside, beautiful views down the Kent estuary. On the right hand side, as I look at it, over there on the other side of the platform, this is the side of the platform heading north, so I'm heading to Barrow-in-Furness. August the 2nd, look, the tide well and truly out. Great expanses of sand. That fills up quickly when the tide comes in. Bit of local art here.
This northern train to Barrow-in-Furness. The next station stop is Grange-over-Sands.
Scenery here, crossing the viaduct, heading towards Grange-over-Sands. Electricity wires put on top. Flat, grassy, waterlogged bits of the estuary. The lighthouse at Alston, at least a beacon of some sort, quite prominent. So we approach Barrow-in-Furness, the final stop. You can go further up the coast of Cumbria. Apparently it's meant to be a spectacular journey, but I'm getting off here. Oh, the dirty dock. Barrow, home of the Britain's submarine building industry. So quite a lot of skilled workers, lots of wind turbines, etc. around this area. So quite looking forward to having a look around, grabbing a cup of coffee, and seeing what Barrow is like early on a Saturday morning. Some nice flowers there. Section. So just leaving the station area, you can see the huge buildings of BAE Systems building the submarines at the end of the road there. I'm thinking that the centre of town must be maybe towards that tower over there with the British flag flying proudly on top. Right, there's the Duke of Edinburgh Hotel. Fine brick building. Right, I think town is this way, so I shall head that way. Must be approaching the heart of the settlement now. Here's the law courts. It's the main entrance. The bricks being nicely lit in the morning light. And then we've got a virtually deserted street. Might just cross it for effect. No traffic. Look at that. Oh, and there's a statue of presumably some important person who once came to Barrow, or mayor. Let's go. We'll find out what that statue is as we just continue our way past the law courts, and another fine building illuminated in the morning light next to it. Past sidelines, the sports bar here. Dalton Road, or Shops Market, the Forum, very Roman. Weatherspoon. Oh, maybe this is maybe the heart of Barrow here, shopping district. Oh, that's the Salvation Army building. Right, where shall I go? I think I'm going to head down this way, see what's what, and then make my way to that statue that I saw previously. It's just after 8 on a Saturday morning, and you can see the Barrow has not yet really come to life. There's the odd person around. A couple of wooden shelters here. It does rain a lot in this part of the world. Not just any nails, USA nails. Purdy's Bakehouse there, yet to come alive. New charity shop. Of course, the coral betting shop. What we've got on this side? Animal welfare. Good to see Barrow with a fine range of charity shops. This is a colourful one. Question is McDonald's open for a cup of coffee? I'm about to find that out. This is more like it, so we've got Costa that seems to be open, and maybe McDonald's as well, and maybe this is and Greg's. Oh, it's a fast food delight here at this end of town. Look at that, big Greg's as well. Plenty of inside seating, which is unusual for a Greg's place. Oh, little alleyways. Now we seem to be in the heart of Barrow here. Lovely views over to the distance and the distant hills. Got McDonald's there, and a monument here to the courage, labour, wide as the earth. The readiness is all. See what else it says. Oh, nothing there. I'm not sure that seagull is being as respectful as it could be. So a bit of mining going on by the looks of it. Progress every day counts. Good messages. here in the heart of Barrow-in-Furness. So a very pleasant little street here. It's coming to life a little bit more now, Barrow, on this Saturday morning. We've got more people around than even 10 minutes ago. It's a very, very impressive town hall building. Some flowers in front on this side of the conference hall, the entertainment centre, the forum. Barrow Market there, which I'm sure will come alive later today, 9 AM to 5 PM. I was heading back down towards the station area down there. There's that monument down there that I saw earlier, but there's another one. Another son of Barrow on this roundabout. Oh, there's a coffee shop in the town hall. That would be a place to venture to if I was here a little bit longer. Holiday Inn Express there, right next to the town hall. Quite a nice design building, brick, and then a black cladding. Right, let's have a look at this statue on the roundabout. Got the Albion pub on the right hand side as I look at it. Got the road to Ulverston looking out. I'm just trying to hurry across here before I get run over by a bus. This guy is so important that they fenced him off. Don't want anything untoward happening to him as he stands, kind of like looking a little bit sleepily down the street. Right, I am gonna head across what looks like a swing bridge and see if I can see a big, see the submarine building place down the river. So there we have it. Some work going on a submarine over there. And the BAE Systems Shipyard being lit up nicely in the morning sun, a bit of a breeze blowing now there, a bit of new construction going on up here. There's a tugboat making its way towards me. Quite handy in the sense that if the shipbuilding place maybe one of the tools breaks, they can always just nip across the road there to B&Q, get a replacement. Or if someone damages their shoes or rips a shirt, they can just nip to Sports Direct. So very handily placed. Should be able to keep production up despite any of those kind of difficulties cropping up during the process. I don't know if there's a swing element to the bridge and that's why they've got the stop signs there, or whether it's just literally if a submarine, for instance, was being, security reasons maybe. I don't know, but there's some barriers that are ready to be ready to descend across the road, stop the traffic if necessary. Doesn't look like there's a swing mechanism, but you never know. I'm not an expert on these things. Right, let's cross over to the other side. More warehouses and a Morrison's as well. All right, I haven't got long here, so I want to head back. And so we might be going into Kendal later, so I need to be back in time for that. So I had a quick look around and enjoyed it. So now I shall make my way back towards the railway station. So the town hall, built in 1887 by the Marquis of Hartington as part of Queen Victoria's Jubilee celebrations. And magnificent it is. Right, let's go down towards this other statue that I made reference to earlier. That kind of is prominent on the road back up towards the railway station. typical, like Yorkshire, Lancashire, these terrace style houses. Look at that, looking nice in the morning light. Right, let's move on. 12 months of work due here, like now. So I'm not quite sure what they're doing, but they have fenced off again this particular statue. There's a nice building next to it. Right, let's see if I can get... Well, I'm being directed this way. Pedestrians this way. There's some nice flowers. Colourful signs around the... whatever that building is. On the other side of the road there. And then we've got this statue of another important figure. Looking out. Looking the other way down. It's like a crossroads here. And again, it's so important to the town that they fenced it off. Don't want anyone disturbing the statue. I'll take my hat off to Barrow here for its floral decorations. They are really prominent around the town and very, very attractive at this time of year. Well, that's the library, archive centre. Yeah, it's another fine building. As I now turn past the transport hub, it looks like, the bus station, and head up towards the railway station. So returning through Ulverston, and there's the light. So returning now back towards Arnside, and it's a beautiful morning here. What a lovely run. So I've had an interesting morning, going to Barrow-in-Furness on the train from Arnside. So as I look at the Lake District hills in the distance and enjoy the countryside rushing past, I'd like to thank you for joining me, and I will see you in the next one.